I'm Johnny Garage Johnson, and this is Hardcore Garage. All right, back to another product review. What we have here is a special product that we are going to do some product testing on. You might be able to tell by the looks of it of what it is. This is made by Ozzy Rojas, Ozierojas, on Facebook. You can find him, or get a hold of me and I'll give you his email address. A&E or AE Fiberglass. They are out of California, and they make parts specifically for the Syclone Typhoon and Sonoma GT currently, and he is making some crossover products that go on to some of the normal S10s. Real good guy, honest. I know some people might, be a little skeptical about sending your money to somebody that they don't know, but this guy, I've sent my money to him. He delivers. He is legit. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't think he was. So let's open this up and take a look at what he has created here. I'm not even sure where to start, but let's just cut into it. This is the way they are shipped. This particular, let's open it, then I'll give you some specifics. Try to open it without damaging anything. It's one good thing. It is packaged well. It's like bubble wrap and some shrink wrap, or whatever you want to call that stuff. This is going to take me a minute to get into, people. What you like to see, though, when you're dealing with products is having them, especially shipping, they need to be packaged well, but you don't want to break it getting out of the packaging either. But I think he did a good job of packaging all this stuff, especially coming from California. The most elusive what's in the box ever. I don't want to damage it or put any kind of marks on it anyway. We are getting down to the final wrap here. Let's go ahead and cut into here some more. Excellent wrap job there, Ozzy. Excellent. Hope everybody appreciates how well these things are wrapped. Might not make for the easiest unboxing in the world, but the product is definitely in good hands. It's in good shape. We're almost into it, guys. Almost. We're so close. So close. We're so close. So close. So close. Are you kidding? Okay, you guys ready? So let me back up a little bit so you guys can hopefully see this. I hope you can see it all in there. Okay, so what this is it kind of mimics the Sonoma GT, Syclone Typhoon Front Valance, Cladding, Airdam, whatever you want to call it, bumper cover. Except for this doesn't cover the bumper. It just goes underneath. Has exactly the same styling as those two, minus the fog lights. I believe the fog light would probably be halfway into this section here. So you can mount this on any regular stock S10 bumper with or without the side moldings. I don't know if you have to remove the corner pieces. The trucks that I've seen, it looks really good with the molding. So I don't know if it lays underneath the side pieces. Super nice piece here. Look at the fiberglass is laid in there all nice. I don't know if he does this with a chopper or hand lays the fiberglass, but being a fiberglass guy myself, this part does look really, really good. Most fiberglass parts, you're going to have some fine tuning, you know, right along this edge here. You know, that's going to be hidden anyway, but if you were, you know, building a custom show truck that you wanted all the details, you would need to fine tune your little edge here just a little bit, and I'm sure a little bit of tweaking on these sides, just depending on, you know, your bumper may have a little bend to it, maybe connected a little bit different. The support bars might not be exactly the same. So always keep that in mind when you're dealing with aftermarket parts, that sometimes you do got to make adjustments. That's why they call it custom. Okay, so there is no mounting hardware with this thing. He told me that you use your existing mounting hardware. There is the holes. I don't know if you guys can see them. Maybe I'll bring the camera over here and show you a close-up, but there is holes for the mounting that would mount right to a stock bumper. I assume you're going to use your same U-nuts that you would on a stock bumper. We are going to find out. There's also, right here is two, I suppose those are the mounting holes to screw some screws into your inner fender on the front wheels. So we are going to get my 90, going to borrow it from Dad, and get it in here and get this mounted up on there. I'm thinking the easiest way for me to do that, and maybe not the easiest way, but the best way to do that would be to remove the entire front bumper off of the truck, get it clamped up on here, to drill the holes, get it all mounted, then put the bumper back on the truck. That may not be the way that you guys do it. It may not even be the way I do it once I get over there and start looking at everything, but that's my initial plan. Probably gonna have to spray paint this thing black, as much as I hate it. A flat black or plastic dip, just so it'll match the dark gray or black or whatever it is on the bottom of the 90 S10 until my father decides that he wants to get that thing painted. We're just going to have to deal, but I don't want no white piece on there for sure. What we're going to do is see how well it fits, how low it hangs past the original Airdam, or how little less it hangs down past the original Airdam. With my driveway and as low as that truck is, I assume it's going to take a little bit of a beating on the bottom, which I really hate, but that's part of testing things, is making sure they're going to hold up. You know, if it drags a little bit, it doesn't want to bust, which is fiberglass. A lot of people hate fiberglass. Fiberglass is totally repairable though. A lot of other things you can't repair, or it takes a lot to repair them. Fiberglass, Airdams, if they bust, crack, whatever, you can fix them over and over and over again. Very easy. Very nice piece here, Ozzy. I appreciate the heck out of you sending this to me. I hope that I do a good test for you and that you're pleased with the outcome. I'm not trying to sell your product per se. I want to help you sell your product if it is a good product, and it appears that it is. So we're going to go from there, guys. Hope to get this on real soon this week. Let's get a little closer look at this thing, just so you can see the mounting holes there. One there, one there, one there, one there, 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 and there. And then the two are on the back side there. It's going to be a good looking air dam there, though. I can't wait to get that on. I'm going to try to stick this on here. I don't know how well I'll be able to show you, but at least you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. Maybe. If I could be steady for a second. Something like that right there. Pretty decent. I'm digging it. So I'm going to get that 90 in the shop tomorrow and get this thing started. Rip off the front bumper, clamp it, screw it, get it back. I'm going to have to paint it first, so I probably ought to do that tonight, huh? Oh gosh, I hate spray painting some stuff. I really do. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Guys, thanks for following along. Hope you enjoy what you saw today. Hopefully, yeah. Follow, subscribe, like, comment. Keep on trucking.